We're going to start with the large square today. We can start with a magic ring. You loop your yarn over. I use a double magic ring technique, so I've wrapped it an extra time around my hook. Still pull that loop through. And we would chain 3, which counts as our first double crochet, and then work 2 double crochet into the ring. Chain 2, 3 double crochet into the ring, we'll do that 2 more times. Chain 2, 3 double crochet into our starting ring, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and then we're going to join with a half double crochet to the top of our starting chain. This half double crochet acts as a chain 2 space. Then you can go ahead and tighten your ring. So you'll have 4 sets of 3 double crochet with the chain 2 corners, that last corner made with a half double crochet. Alternately, you can start with a chain 4, slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring, work the chain 3, and then work your double crochet into the ring formed by those chains, and so on. Then for round 2, we want to turn our work. We will chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and in that same corner space we will place a second double crochet. Then we will double crochet in each of the stitches across to the next corner, which for row 2 will be 3 stitches. So double crochet in each of those 3 stitches. And then when we reach this next corner space, we'll place 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet in this corner space. To form our new corner. Double crochet in each of the stitches across the side. And then ready to repeat that with the corner, double crochets, and so on. So you can repeat that for the next 2 sides, and I'll meet you just before the end of the round. So I've worked that final side. I need to place 2 more stitches in that corner space. So 2 double crochet in that corner space. And then we'll make a half double crochet in the top of our starting chain 3 to form this last corner. And then we will turn our work for round 3. So after round 2, we have 7 stitches per side with the chain 2 corners. Rounds 3 through 7 are worked in the same way, starting with that chain 3, adding a double crochet in the corner, and then double crocheting in each stitch across. So this will be 7 double crochets. Six and 7 double crochet, ready to work our corner stitches, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet, ready to work down this next side. So you can go ahead and work that all the way around, remembering to add 2 more double crochet in that corner space before joining with a half double crochet to close the round. So you can finish up round 3 and continue to work 4, 5, 6, and 7. 11 stitches per side. 15 stitches per side. You may find it helpful after the end of each row to just straighten, pull out your corners a little bit. Make sure those stitches fall into place so that your square continues to lay flat. 19 stitches per side. Round 6, 23 stitches per side. 27 stitches, and you can go ahead and fasten off. So after you've worked your first square, it's a good time to check your gauge, especially if you're working from a kit from Cascade Yarns. You want to make sure your squares are not too big or you will run out of yarn. So these large squares should be 8 inches, and mine fits. Or if you use metric, be 20 centimeters for your square. If you're too large, you might want to consider going down a hook size so that you can meet your gauge requirement.